Top 5 Most Popular Artificial Intelligence Technologies for Creating Avatars. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we interact with technology, and one of the most exciting developments in this field is the creation of artificial avatars. These avatars, also known as digital humans, are virtual beings that can interact with humans in a natural and lifelike way, thanks to AI technology. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most popular AI software with artificial avatars. Soul Machines. Soul Machines is a New Zealand-based company that develops lifelike digital avatars using AI technology. These avatars can interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way, thanks to their advanced emotional intelligence and facial recognition capabilities. Soul Machines avatars have been used in industries such as customer service, healthcare, and education. Replica. Replica is an AI-powered chatbot that creates a personalized virtual avatar based on the user's personality and interests. The avatar can interact with the user in a natural and lifelike way, and can also provide emotional support and companionship. Replica is designed to help users improve their mental health and well-being through personalized conversations with their avatar. Unique. Unique is a California-based company that develops digital avatars for use in customer service and other industries. The avatars are designed to be lifelike and can interact with customers in a natural and intuitive way. Unique's avatars are used by companies such as Vodafone, AWS, and Autodesk. Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI-powered video production platform that allows users to create lifelike digital avatars for use in marketing and other industries. The avatars can be customized to match the user's brand and can be used to create videos that are engaging and interactive. Synthesia's avatars have been used by companies such as Lexus, Adobe, and Lloyd's Banking Group. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video production platform that allows users to create videos with lifelike digital avatars. The avatars can be customized to match the user's brand and can be used to create videos that are engaging and informative. Lumen 5's avatars have been used by companies such as Shopify, HubSpot, and Hootsuite. Modulate. Modulate is an AI-powered voice modification platform that allows users to create lifelike digital avatars with customized voices. The avatars can be used in gaming, virtual reality, and other industries to enhance the user's experience. Modulate's avatars have been used by companies such as Unity, Riot Games, and VRChat. In conclusion, AI-powered avatars are becoming increasingly popular in various industries, from customer service to video production. These lifelike digital beings can interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way, thanks to advanced emotional intelligence and facial recognition capabilities. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more lifelike and interactive avatars that will transform the way we interact with technology. Hit a subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.